Do you remember the roundabout?
I'm so sorry.
You know there's 2 lanes there, right?
I've never been down that road.
Okay, but you do, listen, you could have killed me. There are 2 lanes there. There's a distinct line when you enter the roundabout. On the right is your lane, on the left is mine. Also, you need to yield to any traffic coming from the left. Okay? That's why there's a yield sign there. Okay? I got hit by a car last year, broke my back. Okay? That's why I keep cameras running all the time. Pay attention, please.